May mga bagay kang gustong gusto pero hindi mo mabili. So nagtitipid ka. So lahat ng binibili mo, tipid. Nakamaskara siya na practical. Pero in reality, meron ka talagang gusto for yourself. You're just lying to yourself, you know? It's still not self-love. Kasi tinitipid mo sarili mo eh. Wala namang masamang magtipid. Walang masama sa delayed gratification. Pero may pagkakataon naman na pwede mo namang ibigay sa sarili mo. At baka lalo kang ganahang magtrabaho at maghanap buhay kung ibibigay mo sa sarili yung gusto mo. And there's what we call the true choice. Something that you really want for yourself. And this represents self-love. Yung tipong wala ka ng gustong patunayan. You know, binibili mo siya kasi gusto mo siya for you. Not to prove anything to other people, not coming from lack, or not coming from trying to please people. Because you are trying to please you. Ikaw yung gusto mong mapasaya.